got food all over. Hey, Brendan. Happy birthday. Hey, Brian. Okay, Brendan. Light it.
What?
Light it.
Okay. I didn't have like
Harry Potter or something?
No. Dad have that.
Alright, I know what just the way it's at.
No. Don't.
Burn my hair off. Actually, I have my hair.
Where'd my hair go? Someone hit the candle. Yeah,
I got it.
Light it up.
Light it up.
We bought the pink cake.
Yeah, way to go, Dad. It's Harry Potter.
He tried to put his son to be gay.
Hey, I'm being happy.
That's Brandon.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think this is the first time I've seen a cake at your house.
No, you guys, they have it. Even this guy, they have. Everyone have, but just that we don't invite.
Don't ever see it.
We don't invite anybody coming.
That's pink, Dad.
Brandon.
Hey, it was the only one that I liked.
You should have done
The only pink one there.
Don't you have Sam's? Sam's Club?
Hey,
Yeah,
Scott.
but we got this one Walmart. I really wanted a girl. All I got was a whole bunch of boys.
Sorry, you still pink cake.
My mom.
Makes your daddy happy.
No, I'm just worried about the flavor. Pink cake?
There's two TV right here. Happy How old are you? 12? How do you say mom?
What?
Có chơi xong à? Cầu ó xong. Say cầu ó.
Go
Cầu ó xong. Say that.
Go out, Sean.
No.
Có áo à.
Cầu ó xong.
Go out, Sean.
Okay.
Why didn't I say it?
Okay.
Play with the dog.
Yeah, burn it.
Hey, Sean, take it out.
Hey, it doesn't mean that you're gonna go upstairs and light it, okay? Light it and I'll drip it on you like that.
Sean.
If you light it, just make sure you really burn down your house.
Yeah.
Don't do it right there.
Oh, I have no idea. That's so funny. Oh, yeah. Last one.
Nope.
For you. Contest. For you.
Okay.
You have to rip your drinking contest.
Hey, Brian. Brian.
We don't have a big tummy like you. You could probably drink 5 of those and not be satisfied, huh?
Hey, don't kick each other.
Hey, we always have to kick each other.
You have cake on your forehead.
Hey, don't do that. Okay. No, you guys don't eat cake yet. You guys gotta eat food first.
Hey, can I eat Joe for a present?
Here you go.
Yeah, here's